assignment, the student has requested to record this meeting so that later they can listen and follow the instructions. So this actually assignment is about 30 marks or 30%. Okay, the deadline is 28th November. So this assignment is the key objective is to identify and describe and differentiate the management functions for Omani managers. So you will choose one Omani organization and you will describe one Omani manager maybe and how you compare the different functions across it. So the first instruction for this assignment is to make the group of 2 to 4. Keep it in mind that you can also submit one as a single person if you do not find any person, but do not make the group across the other section. You should be in same tutorial. One more thing you should note, 6 is the exception. Ideally, you should be 4. I allow you for the 6 for the special case. But if the quality of the assignment is not good, then your marks will be decreasing. So try to be stay with 4. And or if you are having any problem, your friend is having problem, then you can include that person with you. So on the assignment, you should add ID, section, and tutor name on this situation. Then you will not email me this assignment. You will upload it online and also submit the hard copy to your tutorial teacher. You will not come to me, but you will submit it to your tutorial teacher for checking and marking. So submit after due date mean 5 marks will be cut. You will be getting 25 or less. So this situation is that if you give it on Monday 29, I will cut your 5 marks. So that is why it is red. So you are expected to work on the assignment of 2 to 6 group. Once again, I will repeat, ideally 4 students, but you can, in the exceptional case, you can submit alone. Ideally, you should be 4. But if you are 6 people, then quality of assignment should be really high. Otherwise, overall, your group will suffer and you will get the low marks. So this is the font size you should follow. For example, Time New Roman, I will help you how to do this. And the size is 12. So do not forget to revise your lecture in this regard. It is very important. For example, if you choose a topic that leading at Bank Muscat, then listen to the recording of the leading of the lecture. It will help you to differentiate leader function from the controlling, staffing, organizing, and other managerial function in this situation. So keep it in mind. So how you prepare over the text, describe the 5 important dynamic management functions. You first describe what are those management functions. You give the introduction of those functions. You give the introduction of the Bank Muscat. In such things, you can do it in your first section. So in this assignment, you will identify, describe, and differentiate these functions. So which section? I will tell you in which section. So carefully consider the primary function in the context of Omani business. One function you will focus more again and again. If you are talking about controlling, talk more again and again about controlling in the different sections. The section 1 of the 5 management functions that you are leading, considering lead you to believe in this most important and give the proper introduction over there. Then your task is to write 5 paragraph easily describing your choice management functions and choice of management chosen management function and why you rank it important so high. This is your very important task. Then your essay must include 3 proper reference, main internet reference, or in the reference section at least 3 reference should be there to get your 5 marks in the end. Otherwise you will not get those 5 marks. Define terms from the module, you can take reading. And for example, if you are selecting planning, you could include the definition of the function from your book, no problem, but give it in a double quote to avoid the plagiarism. Then you answer the 3 questions or 4 questions properly. Number 1, you should write an introduction to selected company. If easy, try to download organization chart. And if you want to see organization chart, click here. Like if you click here, you will get a sample organization chart. So if you see over here, it is not coming. Okay, I will give you that organization chart later, no problem. But right now, Organization chart, you know, the Mercure Hotel, remember the case study, top manager, middle manager, like this, you try to download it for your organization. Then you describe what is the primary function you have selected and why. Okay. Then how does it interact with the other functions? Mean how planning will interact with the controlling, how planning will interact with the leading, how planning will interact with the staffing. So what would happen to management without the selected function? For example, if you delete planning, how the rest of the function will move in the Bank Muscat? You will say if we do not plan human resource, then we cannot work properly. If we do not plan budget, then we cannot control the people. If we do not plan it properly, then you cannot plan the future people you need in this situation. So you try to give some justifications and examples and try to relate your chosen function with that of the other function. So what factors cause you to rank it important above others? You give the significance. For example, you tell us why this planning is important as compared to staffing, why planning is important as compared to controlling, why planning is important as compared to organizing. Similarly, you can change the example. For example, if you choose organizing at Bank Sohar, then you will tell us why organizing is more important to the planning, why organizing is more important to the staffing. You compare it with the 4 other functions in 4 more lines, you compare them. So finally, in addition to text, you give the topic a reliable reference. If you do not give me the reference, I will cut your 5 marks. So be careful and give me the reference and try to use these references over here. So do not give very long or very short report. I will cut your 5 marks again. You will give me 200 words or maximum 3000 words. Sorry, 2000 words or maximum 3000 words. So once again, you keep in mind that the plagiarism is wrong and you read it very carefully, that we acknowledge that this assignment is our own work. We have not allowed anyone to copy our work. You mean do not share with your friends. If you share with your friends and both are copying the same, so this means I will cut the marks of both. Both. I will not say that you are the leader and you, because you are giving your assignment to your friend. So means you are giving the cheating easy way to your friend, and they are cheating and submitting the same. So if they will submit the same, so I will cut your marks. So don't give your assignment to other group. So we declare that the assignment is our own work. So this is all. And you then go for the marking. For example, 10% marks structure of the focus. Does the student provide a logical and considerable arguments that is expected at this level of study? So you will be getting 1 for fail, 2 for satisfactory, 3 for good, and 4 for very good performance, 5 for exceptional, and 6 for exceptional performance, means 30 out of 30 marks. So theoretical understanding, if you understand this function properly, you define it properly, this means you have a theoretical understanding. So critical analysis means you give the example of Bank Muscat, Bank Sohar, and properly criticize and compare, then means I will give you more better marks. Presentation means going answer remaining within the set parameters. This doesn't mean you are going to come and present in the class. No, it is just a report. You are not going to present in the class. So now let's see what is this word format over here. So to complete your assignment, you will download this. Okay. So let's say we download this over here and let's try to work on it. You will open this file of word format. You put it enable. You also download the Grammarly software for this. The Grammarly software is like this. It will help you. You type on the internet Grammarly. It will help you to write the correct English. In my class, I will help them, but for those who are with Dr. Zui, they can download the Grammarly for free and they will apply it by using the YouTube channel. Here you will write, for example, Dr. Zui. If you are working with Dr. Zui, then if let's say you are in the section number 6 with Dr. Zui, then write, for example, your ID over here. For example, your ID, some one this, then use complete name as per attendance. Muhammad, let's say Muhammad Balochi, complete name. Muhammad Ali Balochi is complete name. Then write the complete name as per attendance. Don't give the short name. I will cut the marks if you are not typing the proper name. Then you other group member, for example, you give the other group member. This is let's say ID. Then you say let's say Muhammad Ali. let's say Muhammad Fatima Balochi. Let's say Fatima Balochi. Let's say this is the other student. Like you complete these 4 students over here, or 2 students, or 1 student, you should complete. Then you can give me the title. For example, organizing at Bank Muscat. Everyone should not get a Bank Muscat. If the whole class is taking Bank Muscat, I will cut marks. Try to find a new Omani organization in the internet. Go and find it. For example, you can find over here list of Omani firms. So what you will do, you will find a lot of firms over here like this. Miles Engineering Consultancy, Oman Chromite Company. You can check their website from here. You need to check their website. Click here on the website and try to write their introduction from their website from here. You can say they are doing business this, like you can use this firm. So that try to find new firm on the website. You find some all firms, you will find a new firms over here. Don't try to take the first firm, try to go for this KPMG, and you try to see their website over here and try to see, is it a good company? You want to do a job over here, find it and try to find what Omani bank perspective and what they are doing. So try to write there in the section 1. Second thing is very important, try to install this Grammarly app. Okay, you go to Google and you write Grammarly for Word. Okay, then you try to install it over here, Grammarly for Word, and you will try to get this app from here and download it. It will help you to correct your English. Try to get take a help. If you have any problem, you can visit my office to install it or to take further help. But first try to take help from the friends and try to do it yourself in this situation. So next, if we continue for this next our word assignment again, then you can try to develop this situation. You type here everything from the website and try to write your own words. For example, Bank Muscat was established in let's say some date. You give the date. So you write your own words. Do not try to copy from the Bank Muscat website. Try to write your own words in this situation. So try to write more from Bank Muscat or any. Like here, what we can write, for example, if you choose this company, like for example, we have chosen this company of let's say KMG, then about us. Click here and you can see this, what they are doing. You can write here this this is they what they are doing over here. They are doing key development over here. You can take it and write in your own words. Okay, you can, what you will write here, for example, you will write staffing or human resource management at, you write KMG. Then you tell me what is KMG. You can add KMG Oman. Okay, like this. You type it and then give me the answer over here. Then introduction, the selected company you introduce over here. Like you will introduce over here. For example, the KMG Oman. For example, the KMG Oman was established in this year. They are producing this product and services. They have very good management. Their CEO is very good. He is doing like this. So you try to take the help from this website and then give the reference in the end. Okay. Like for what you will give for KMG, you insert reference over here, references. You go references, like click over here and you insert the citation. What you will do? You insert the citation. You will do insert citation and you will give the reference over here. For example, if you will go, they will ask you. For example, insert the bibliography. Sorry. Let's say this. We will try to insert citation. So you over here, it has open mainly, but insert, you can do it. I will help you in the class further, but you, what you will do, at least you will put in the end here in this section
Mr.
references. Yes, please. Just 1 minute. It is recording. Just 1 minute. Let me conclude so that everyone should listen it.
Ahmed,
Yes, Ahmed, just 1 minute. For example, reference you can create. The first reference is your company, KMG Oman. So this is your first reference. By default, everyone should give this reference. So references. You give the references over here. So you give this references for this section number 5. The second reference could be your book maybe. Okay. Then if, for example, KMG, this is, let's say, KPMG, sorry, KPMG. So here you can write this reference that if you are typing the Omani, then you can say at the end, let's say here, KPMG was established in, let's say, 2001. You check it properly, then you can write KPMG 2001. Okay, or like this 2021, because you are accessing in 2021, so you will write here 2021. So this is the way you give the references over here. So similarly, you can give the reference of the book. Then what you will write, for example, the book is Robbins. You write here Robbins define the planning like this. So you try to give references, 3 references over here. So this you will respond like this, and we will stop recording here to take the some question over here. Just 1 minute. Let me stop this recording. It will help inshallah to solve your assignment.